When dust and debris settle on your production line, the impact goes beyond just creating a mess. Particles cling to surfaces, slowing down workflows and compromising quality at every stage. The result? Inefficiency, costly downtime, wasted materials, and poor yields that affect your bottom line. Introducing the Neutro-Vac web cleaning system, offering precision and power. Experience the reliability of our unit, featuring robust construction and exceptional durability. This cutting-edge system effectively eliminates dust and contaminants, enhancing product quality and reducing downtime. The system includes our IQ Easy Static Neutralizing Bar, which eliminates static charges on webs and other material, releasing debris stuck on the substrate due to static charge. The IQ Power Control Station integrates seamlessly with our IQ Easy Static Bar, allowing for easy configuration and enhanced monitoring capabilities. The brushes effectively loosen and lift debris from the web. The system offers targeted blasts of compressed air, which, when combined with static neutralization and brushing, lifts debris from the web and into your dust collection system. Our innovative, patent-pending butterfly valve helps deliver improved airflow and pressure control for more effective debris removal. The outlet can be relocated to multiple locations, facilitating the best configuration for your application. Experience the versatility of our locking slide on the shutter, allowing easy customization to fit your web width. With options for 1, 2, or 3-inch pieces, this feature ensures optimal performance for your specific production needs. The Neutro-Vac system can be easily installed into your existing system. The web downstream of the Neutro-Vac system is free of debris, contaminants, and static, ensuring the highest quality for your production.